Okay. Row, row, row your boat. Merrily, 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 merrily. Row, row, row your boat. Merrily. Row, row, row your boat. Where's Mama? Yeah, we're going back. No, we are not going too far. Because we are 3 now. We can't go too far. We're going to stay here. What? Oh, your boat. Yeah, and it's strong. It's okay, we're going here. We're not going too far. Yeah, to slow it down. Yeah. Yeah. It's windy. You fall down? No. Yeah. Okay, let's turn. You want to turn?
No. Yeah. No.
Okay.
No.
We're turning, then we go.
No.
We're turning, then we go. Come on. Let's do it. Okay. Huh? The jet ski?
Yeah.
That's way too much. Yeah, you're gonna do that later. Okay, let's go. Let's row your boat. The way, man. Ooh. It's fine? Yeah, it's too windy. So the wind brings us back every time. See, the wind is bringing us back? Madison, be careful. Let's turn around. Huh? You want to swim inside? When do you come back? Yeah, when do you come back? Okay, let's go. Let's go and see the geese. You want to go and see the geese? Okay, let's go. No. You want to swim there? We can't go there. Oh. We can't go over there. Let's go here. Yeah. Ata. Oh, sorry, Madison. Huh? It hurt you? Hold it for me. Yeah. It's too whoosh. It's a stone. Oh my god. Madison, stop. It's a stone. Yeah, it's a stone. Yeah.
Take it, Dada.
Take what? The bar? Okay, let's go. Don't hold it.